If you don't like how your clothes fit or the thought of putting on a bathing suit for spring break gives you anxiety, listen to this. Our next guest this morning can help you get the body you've always wanted. Welcome Dr. Vincent Voci from Voci Plastic Surgery. Dr. Voci, we love having you here. Good to see you this morning.
Thank you, Colleen. Thank you very much.
We're talking this morning about liposuction. It has come a long way over the past 30 plus years,
yes,
right?
Yes.
It's not just getting rid of fat either. I mean, you can really use it to sort of fine-tune and reshape areas of the body. And you've called it something else now.
Liposculpture.
Liposculpture.
Exactly, because it's been refined to the point now with tiny incisions, tiny cannulas. In fact, I brought them with me, but I forgot to bring them out to the set. That we can fine-tune the body from the cheeks to the ankles.
From the cheeks to the ankles, pretty much everything. And there's different new technologies that make these procedures so much easier on your patients.
Yes. Ultrasonic energy is my favorite. You can use laser energy as well, but they both, and especially ultrasonic, allows you to use small incisions, small cannulas, and really refine the technique to where you're not just reducing fat, you're actually reshaping and redefining the shape of the body.
It's incredible. Where is it done? Where is this performed?
The best place for cosmetic surgery is by far the private plastic surgeon's office, surgical suite, certified to be just like the hospital, but all we do is nice, clean cosmetic surgery, and of course by a board-certified plastic surgeon, certified by the American Board of Plastic Surgery. Very, very important.
You'll find all of that at Voci Plastic Surgery. I've been there many times to visit your office, and it's great. Again, what areas can be sculpted? You mentioned pretty much everything on the body.
Everything from cheeks and jawline down to calves and ankles, and it's pretty amazing, and it can be all done at one time.
What is the recovery process like? I mentioned it's much easier on patients now, in part thanks to all these different technologies that you can use.
Yes, and sometimes with the small areas, patients can get back to work in 1 to 3 days. A larger area, probably the average of doing the body is 10 days, 14 days for the biggest probably.
We want to show all of you at home some examples so you can get a look at what the results that patients are seeing with liposculpture procedures.
And this is a very typical sculpture, liposculpture of the body and trunk. Dramatic, very dramatic.
Results.
The skin, especially with the ultrasonic energy, the skin tightens up, and that's very, very important when you're doing large areas, and especially in this one, where you see the skin. I mean, you would think that patient needed a tummy tuck, and she didn't.
I know.
And in men, love handles. The love handle is very, very common. Like I said, calves, ankles. And the face. I mean, who would imagine a number of years ago that we could do that with just tiny incisions and quick recovery and safety.
Look at her jawline.
Very proud of that. Very proud.
She must be so happy.
Very.
You should be proud of that. That's beautiful work.
Thank you.
It's beautiful work.
Thank you very much.
I know you have such a passion. You've been doing this for so long, and you really sort of paved the way. You did, I know that years ago in Seattle, you were the first plastic surgeon.
Plastic surgeon to do liposuction in Seattle, and I mean, that made the front page of the Seattle Times, and that was a long time ago. We've refined it now to the point where liposculpture is a better term than liposuction.
Sure, liposculpture, and that's why you call it that.
Yes.
I was telling Eugene before we started your segment, if I were going to get anything done, you'd be my guy.
Yeah,
I would go see you.
Thank you very much.
Listen to this, everybody. Right now at Voci Plastic Surgery, you can save 10 to 15% off the surgeon's fee on all liposuction, liposculpture surgery. You can also save on their non-surgical laser fat reduction treatments that Dr. Voci mentioned. And get this, there's also special pricing for a short time right now on breast augmentation. Plus, at their Valencia Voci Medical Aesthetics and Wellness Center, it's their sister business right there, there's special pricing on cool sculpting, if you'd prefer that. Buy any of these services now. You can use them at any time. Call Voci Plastic Surgery, the number on your screen, 704-333-8300. Again, 704-333-8300. Now's the time. Or visit their website. It's vociplasticsurgery.com. vociplasticsurgery.com. What is it like for you when your patients, they fully recovered from their procedures and they get to see their new body and they're so pleased? What is that feeling like for you?
It brings a tear to my eye. It's a great joy. I tell patients all the time, I tell people that I have a job, but I don't work. it's a joy. And to be able to help a patient look and feel their best. Some will cry. They're so happy, and that just, it's phenomenal. I'm blessed.
You're such a good doctor and such a good man to boot, Dr. Voci. Thank you very much. Great to see you.
Thank you.